Angeke uRamaphosa, angeke ugovernment wethu, angeke i-GNU isakwazi ukuyinqoba lento njengoba ngihleze ngisho ukuthi sebeyakhuluma nje ngoba kufanele, but it's very difficult ukuthi bengadila nale situation esezweni eyenzakalayo, because even though singeke sibone amanye ama-races in South Africa, whites, colored, Indians, but they are there. If you go through ama-videos, go TikTok or Facebook, you'll see white people, white South Africans, you'll see coloreds complaining about the same thing, even though bengekho emgwaqeni, they are not on the streets marching, many of them, but they are complaining. And a few of South Africans who are pretending as if they are not feeling this pain of being overcrowded by illegal immigrants in the country, committing crimes and all this, it's because they are selfish. Bona, they are benefiting, whether from cheap labor yalabantu or they are selling powder with them. Those are the only people also pretender ukuthi bona they are happy with illegal immigrants. No normal human being in his or her own country ongathi yena he or she is happy that there are illegal immigrants in his own country. Never, never, it's impossible. Akekho umuntu ongajabulela leyo nto leyo, where people are committing crime in his country, they are not documented, whatever they are doing, there's no accountability because they are undocumented. You don't even know why they ran away from wherever they are coming from when you are pretending to behave. Why? Because you are benefiting, whether it's a cheap labor or you are selling powder with them or whatever business you are doing with them. No guys, it's impossible. Akekho umuntu ongavuma leyo nto leyo. So nje kumnandi ukubona iSouth Africa ihlangene, kumnandi ukubona ama-tribes ase-South Africa ehlangene. As I said, not only black South Africans are affected by this influx of illegal immigrants in the country, because even some farmers are also affected, because these people from Lesotho, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, they go there to steal the livestock, they go there to unalive them, they go there to do all crazy things to them. Some of these foreign nationals, they even do the housebreaking in other people's houses, white people's houses, Indians, coloreds, they are doing all those crazy things. So akekho umuntu in his or her right senses ongathi yena, hey, I'm happy because in my country there are illegal immigrants. No, akekho umuntu onjalo. If usho njalo, it's because you know ukuthi you are benefiting something from them. And another thing, those people who are saying that they don't care about the sufferings of South Africans, they don't care about the unemployment of South Africans, they are only pretending to be sympathizing with illegal immigrants, not with their fellow citizens. That's a very big problem. These are different villages, different provinces, ama-tribes ahlukene, amaXhosa, amaZulu, abaTswana, wonke umuntu uthi abahambe. So nje umbuzo uthi uzolwa nobani ugovernment ayeke bani, uzobopha bani ugovernment ayeke bani. Uma kunje uzoblame bani, ngoba phela lento ye-tribalism, it's clear ukuthi ayikho. They're just making it up ukuthi kube ne-division between South Africans. Into abangeke beze bekwazi ukuyenza ngoba bayabona vele ukuthi behlulekile, bayizamile, bayahluleka. So hey, kubi angazi ukuthi bazothatha ini bayihlanganise nani, because i-pressure is coming from left, right and center. I-Africa, i-pan-Africanism yabo le ilwa nabo, yithi ngapha silwa nabo, o-UN asazi ukuthi ngempela into abazoyithini, ngoba bayazi ukuthi nalezi zinto ezenzakalayo la e-South Africa, ama-complaints ama-South Africans are legitimate. There's nothing they can do. I-Africa bayithembisa nabo ukuthi basayina ini nayo, asazi and asingene. Uyena ozoyikhipha, ibona abazoyikhipha ngoba bayifaka bona.
Batho re pula keng le kae? Hey! Re pula keng! Mawe! Baya kae? Re pula keng!
Kumana situation iri pana apa? Mawani. Bamtende makazara kuti pa.
Khona manjalo esigodini okuyi-South Africa umholi wakho nomqabulo wamaketango ubobhano Stop and Go. Njengamanje ngiyakuthatha ngiyakubeka sizongena eMozambique eborder sihamba ngobani sihamba ngo-R22. Isimo ke sinje yileso sibonayo ke uma ukuthi usuke eSouth Africa uya eMozambique. Okubalekile nje uyabona umthwalo usobhokweni kodwa ubhoko this time alokho ke umthwalo usetraileni. Umthwalo khona into ethi-ke imithwalo yami ngiyibhukele isenqoleni yesitimela yemithwalo ilona hambo esinalo-ke njengamanje okubalulekile ukuthi-ke njengoba nawe uyimisele ukuthi-ke uyokrosa ibhoda zinike isikhathi ube nalo impela i-hour elinenkulumo ulindele ukuthi uzophazamiseka njengoba ubona nje zihudula iy'nqola yebo ukuthi ihudula iy'nqola kuyahanjwa kuyiwa le ekhaya into ebalulekile ukuthi amaphepha bakithi awabe sesandleni kwenzela ukuthi nalapha sikwenziwe i-administration singabambezeleki ngoba ezinye zezinto ezisibambezelayo ukuthi sesiyidonseleka nje obheke lokhuza buka nje lokhuza buka thola nje phezulu ngokhereni ezinye ifulwe nje icapha awazi ukuthi kwenzakalani buka nje lokhuza ayike ngayidonsa inqola yes wonke umuntu uyadonsa uyahudula ungazi ukuthi ihudulana zona buka lokhuza buka lokhuza buka fema yami buka inkampani buka thola phezulu uyabona yeyi ngathi intotho viyana ibelethe enye ngapha eqolo yezwa na yabo yesibona isimo ngenzela nje ukuthi ubuke kwenzela ukuthi-ke la ungakhona ukwazi ukuthi ukhande isithombe esigcwele ukuthi yini manje seyivule seyimile-ke manje kumiwe lapha eceleni komgwaqo ukuthi bameleni awazi noma seyifuna amanzi akho njengomkhwanazi phatha amanzi akho njengomkhwanazi lokhuza uphathe umgodla kwenzela ukuthi-ke mayeseyibila ngoba buka zinye seyivele phezulu ziyaphefumula hos asaphefumuleke manje nakhuya uyabona njengoba bemile nje ngibanye manje kuyolungisa indaba zamaphepha lapha ema-ofisini uyafika-ke lapha amaphepha kufanele uwaphathe lapha ahlukene kabili amaphepha akho personal your visa your passport noma yini bese kuba amaphepha emoto hos uyazi umdladlamba umthwalo okatholakale le-abnormal yeyi uyilokhuzo aze ngikubone lokhu.
My name is Clever Tete. Here specifically we are Zimbabweans. We are not, first thing, we are not here for demonstration. Our embassy, Zimbabwean embassy, they tried their best to assist us in terms of repatriation as volunteers. So now, 3 days we are here. As you can see, some of us are here. You can show the people where they are, all the people. So now, the kids are here, as far as 3 days. So what we're expecting, anyone, individual, organizations, state, who can provide help so that these people get assistance in terms of any form, from food, sanitaries, and transport to go back home. We are requesting for any help that may be possible. Our government of Zimbabwe, yesterday and the day before yesterday, they provided us with 3 buses which could accommodate all the people. They managed to take 274 from here to Zimbabwe to their home. Then right now we left with about 600 at Mangwe police station for Polokwane as we are speaking right now. So this is the situation as you see.
Yes, and one would like to understand where have you been? Where have you been renting? Where are you coming from?
Like right now the situation is like all these people, they were residing in Polokwane, some are from Seshego, some from Mangwing area, let's say around Polokwane specifically. So these people, they were renting. Now the situation, like the landlords, they just give them notice if you have documents. Oh, these ones, they are undocumented. If they don't have documents, they can't stay in their residence anymore. That's why you see they came once with their bags. They are ready to go. Even any bus can come right now. They are ready to go.
And in terms of communications that you are having with your officials, what is it that they are saying about
our officials, as we are speaking right now, they are at Banganbek Mokopane. They are providing the same services. So as you know, some of the people, they get the information later, so they couldn't manage to make it in time. So they remain desperate with the true information, but desperate as you are speaking. So now, even our officials who are expecting to help us, they are busy. They are busy. doing the same thing at Mokopane.
And how many days have you been here?
Now it's day number 4 we are here.